guys, welcome back to Huson DIY. My name's Matilda.
My name's Oliver.
And my name's Ben.
And today we'll be unboxing some new ear pods.
Okay, as Matilda said, in this video we're looking at these ear pods. So this is part 2 of our Temu Tenner series. So these are items from Temu, the online store Temu, where we're getting items for under £10. We're unboxing them, doing a review of them, seeing what they're like and giving them a try. Yeah? The difference is, well, not the difference, the first video we did, which we've given away now, so we did a smartwatch, which we've given one away. You can see we've got two boxes here. What we're doing, Matilda?
We'll be giving this one away to one of you guys.
We will indeed. So we're going to open this one. We're taking the plastic off the outside, but we're going to open this one, have a look at them, see what they like, connect them to a phone, see if they fit, and then as Matilda said, we'll be doing a giveaway on this one. We don't know what date we're doing it, but we'll add it to the description on what date it'll be. Go on, Matilda.
We were going to use one for me and one for Oliver, but we don't know if they're going to fit my ears because they're always a bit too big, so we're going to give this one away to you guys.
Exactly, yeah. Okay, so we'll get the camera set up, point them down a little bit, get this camera over here a little bit closer to the product, and we'll have a good unboxing and a look at them. So let's do it. Okay, Matilda, get it open, let's have a look inside. Oh, okay. Wow. Okay, so it's a nice colourful box. You can see the earbuds on the front of it there. Let's get this packaging out of the way. Let's see what's inside the packaging first, Tilda, yeah? Okay. We've got some plastic there.
And just wire it.
We've got a little instruction book there. It says In Pod 3. So that's what they're called, In Pod 3. Can you read Chinese?
I'll try.
I can, it says In Pod 3. Yeah.
How do you know?
Because I can see there's In Pod 3. Okay, so what is very interesting straight away is this charging cable that obviously charges the charging case for the ear pods. It's a lightning port, so it's like an Apple lightning port.
What's it do?
So it's a charging cable. So that means that the port there is a lightning port. So if you were to win these or buy them yourselves, you could charge it with an Apple lightning port. So it makes me think that obviously these are very similar to the Apple AirPods you can buy. So they're probably like a direct copy of the AirPods. So that's the packaging, instruction book and a cable. Nothing much more there. We've had a quick look through the instruction book included. There is some English in there. It's pretty simple really. Got to turn on your Bluetooth on your device or phone. It should work with Android or Apple. There is a picture of an iPhone on here, but it should work with Android. And you connect it to your phone using Bluetooth. And then it talks about you can touch control, so you can press it to play and pause any music that you're doing. You can press and hold it to turn on active noise cancellation. And you can double tap it to skip through forward a track, or double tap the other one to go back a track. So that's just the instruction book there. Just to cover that. So Matilda, open them up. Or has it got some plastic on it?
Yeah.
Take the plastic off there. Yeah.
Just opened.
We haven't charged these or anything yet, so we'll see if there's any power in them when we open them up. Matilda's struggling a little bit. I'll just rip it off.
There we go.
Okay, it's covered in a bit of plastic to protect that case. Nice case, quite solid actually that. Quite a solid case. Some of them, the ones you get from overseas, can be a little bit plasticky and cheap. But have a look, Tills, get the earbuds out.
Ooh, they're nice.
Okay.
Can I try them?
So we've opened them up and they are flashing, the Bluetooth is flashing. So what we'll do, I think what we need to do, Tilda and Oliver, is leave them in the case for now. So we've got, so they only go in a certain way, which is obviously that way. So what we'll do, we'll open the case, and I'm going to use my mobile phone just to connect them to Bluetooth. So I'm going to go straight into my Bluetooth settings. Bluetooth's on. I'm just going to look for some devices down here. Let's just see if it picks any up. So it's looking now, it's scanning for devices. Okay, so it's not found it. So what we'll do, let's take the earbuds out. So I'm popping in my ears for now. So the beeped in my ears, I heard them beep then. Let's just scan again through them. TWS there.
Probably that.
Let's try that. So it popped up as TWS on my phone. Okay, yes, so I've got it now connected. So for some reason it didn't work just opening the case, guys. We had to put the earbuds in and then it's connected to it. And you need to look for the product called TWS on there. So that's paired fine. So yes, what we'll do now is I'll give Matilda the left one, put it in your left ear, and then we'll give Oliver the right one. Put it in your right ear, Oliver.
What kind of fits?
Kind of fits? I don't press anything on it. Okay, so Matilda's got one in the left ear, Oliver's got one in the right ear. We're just going to play a little bit of music now, make sure they actually work, first of all. So we're going to YouTube Music. I won't show this on camera just for copyright reasons, because we might get into trouble for showing that. So we'll put a little bit of this song on. Yeah. Is that working?
Yes.
Yeah? You can both hear it? Yeah? That's fine. So, Oliver, so we'll test out. So Oliver should be a double tap on that one, the right one, Oliver. And it should go to the next song.
No.
Where are you tapping though? On the side of it? Yeah, so that does work. So we've worked it out. So if you look on the earbud, there's on the front of it, there's like a flat bit, like a flat surface. See it there, Matilda?
Yeah, there.
Yeah?
Show Oliver, show
See the flat surface? So the flat surface just on the, let me just show the camera so it might not be able to see it on the camera. But it's a flat surface just on the front of the, it's not picking that up. There's a flat surface just on the front there where you've got to use a touch control. And I think you can do it on either ear, to be honest with you. Right, so we worked it out. We're really fiddly. Do you want it, guys? Oliver, fiddly?
Yeah.
Yeah, Matilda? Fiddly. I think you'd get used to it. But to be honest with you, having worn earbuds before, I tend to control it on my phone anyway. You don't tend to do it. You kind of forget what to do. But it does work, they do work. It's just getting used to exactly where to press and how many times to press and stuff, but it does work. They go in the case really well. We'll just pop them back in there and they're charging again now. So that's that. So yeah, so eventually easy to connect on Bluetooth. You just got to put them in your ears. Were they comfy in your ears, guys?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, nice and soft in your ear.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously a little bit too big for you, maybe, do you think?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, just a bit too big. Yeah, a bit too big. Obviously, Matilda's only 7, Oliver's 10, so they are probably made for kind of adults' ears. You don't get some. I know with some earphones and earbuds and stuff, you get the different tips. So these you get like replacement ones of them, so you can get smaller ones for smaller ears. Yeah. So it didn't come with any. It didn't come with any spares or anything. I suppose you could buy some spares, some smaller ones, or from some different earphones if you had some different earphones. The earbuds are now charging inside the case. It doesn't say in here how big the battery is, but obviously the case does charge. Right, okay, I didn't cover it off at the beginning, just wanted to say, obviously this is the Temu Tenner series, I did mention that. I didn't mention these earbuds. How much are they, Matilda? Do you remember? Oliver, can you remember?
£3.80.
£3.80. £3.80 for that, yeah? £3.80, just for even if it isn't that good, if it only lasts, say, a year or two, it's unbelievable value for money, really, £3.80. They are really well built, the plastic's nice and strong, the case is good, it's got a good hinge on that case, the case has got some weight to it, so it's obviously not, must have a decent enough battery in there to charge it for a certain period of time. It comes with a lightning port, if that's a thing, which is the Apple charging port with a cable, which is great. So yeah, no complaints really. I think for the value for money, it's really good, isn't it, guys? Anything you'd like to say? No, what do you reckon?
It's really good.
About the products or anything about
No.
that? No? Okay. So just to mention about the giveaway. So you've got to, what have you got to this video, Tilda? You've got to
like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And leave what, Oliver?
A comment for your entry.
Exactly. So like and subscribe. That's standard, you've got to do that. Like Oliver says, you've got to leave a comment in the comment section. It doesn't matter what you put. You can ask us a question. You can just put something silly. You can just put your name, anything like that. Go, Matilda.
How many people have to join in?
It doesn't matter. There's no minimum. Well, at least 2. We need at least 2, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if we don't get 2 by the giveaway date, we'll just leave it open for a bit longer until we get at least 2.
Maybe we could do it August.
It'll probably be in July.
July the 30th.
Yeah. Because we've done a smartwatch one now. We've already done that one, Oliver.
Yeah.
The lucky winner got that. So smartwatch one has been done. The Temu Tenner Part 1, which we'll put a link up here too. So yeah, as we said right at the beginning, we'll put in the description how to enter and the date for entry and the date of the giveaway. We'll put that in the description when this video goes live. So I think that's probably everything.
Sorry.
Okay, we've come to the end of this video now. The Temu Tenner Part 2 with these earbuds. What were they called? The InPod 3 earbuds. So yeah, hopefully it's been enjoyable. Enter that giveaway to get the prize, the giveaway prize. Anything from Matilda?
Please like this video.
Anything from you, Oliver?
And please subscribe to the channel.
And we'll see you on the next one.